In the previous video, we created a list of ratings for every single book. But now I would like to calculate an average, because it means average rating. So how we can do that? Again, we need to calculate average rating. What does it mean? Is it attribute or is it a method? We need to calculate, we need to do something, we need to create something. So it means it's method, okay? Because how I said, attribute only describe the object, like the book, okay? Title also here. But if you need to calculate something, create something, make something, it's always the method. So it means the function. So I will create another function. I will call it average rating. Again, guys, the name is up to you. I will put here brackets, but here has to be self all the time. So it doesn't matter if you put there another value like here. It doesn't matter. It has to be self here, okay? And now I would like to return the average. So how we will calculate? So the self rating is a list. So it means we need to summary, okay, or the sum of the value. So for example, for the book 1 I need sum 5 plus 5 plus 4, so it means 14, correct? How can I do that? It's very simple. We will call sum, and what we need to sum self ratings, okay? So it means the ratings, it will be there will be some numbers, and we just create a sum. So here the sum will be plus 5 plus 5 plus 4, so 14. Here the sum will be 3 plus 4 plus 5, so it's 12. And here 5 plus 1 plus 3, so it's 9, correct? And now if it is average, so we need to divide it by length. So it means how many ratings do we have? So it's len, and again self ratings. That's so easy. So here it will be sum, it's 14 divided by how many? 1, 2, 3, so divided by 3. Here it will be how many? 12 divided by 3, so 12 divided by 3. And here it will be 9 divided by 3, correct? Perfect. So we can try. So here I will put here and book 1 and call average rating. But you need to be careful, because here you need these brackets, okay? So it means activate this this method. So now it will run the result. So I will see. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 4, and the result is 4.6. Great, perfect. I like it. So here for the book 2, again we call average rating, and here I will do that for the book 3 as well, like this. So the first is 4.6, 4 and 3. I like it. I think that's that makes sense, correct? So now I hope that you see the power of the class, or the power of the OOP. So it means if you put here something, if you put here for example method, so it means every single book has this method immediately, and that's perfect. That's what I like. Okay, so now we can stay with this method like this, and we will continue in the next video, because this method is not finished.